Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable TikTok Pixel integration for organic traffic measurement, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your TikTok Ads Manager account. Navigate to the Assets section from the main menu. Select Event from the drop-down options. Click on the Create Pixel button. You can now choose a name for your pixel. Ensure the name is relevant and easily identifiable. Next, select the appropriate integration method. If you're using a website builder, choose the corresponding option here. For manual integration, opt for the Manually Install Pixel Code option. Once selected, click Continue to proceed. You'll now see the pixel code generated for your website. Copy this pixel code to your clipboard. Next, open your website's code editor or CMS. Locate the header section of your website's HTML. Paste the pixel code just before the closing /head tag. Save your changes to the website. To confirm the integration, return to the TikTok Ads Manager. Click on Test Events to begin the verification process. Follow the prompts to test the pixel and ensure it is active. Make sure to perform some actions on your website to create events. Check back on the TikTok Ads Manager to see if these events appear. Once verified, your pixel is successfully integrated. Now, you can start tracking organic traffic effectively. Utilize this data to optimize your TikTok marketing strategies. Regularly monitor your pixel's performance for insights and adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.